One is length of a book. Okay, so the most suitable and convenient unit which we use for length of a book, that is meter. Okay, the next one is diameter of a wire. Okay, so diameter of wire is very small, so it's mean a smaller unit will be used. So the most commonly or the suitable unit which we use for the diameter of a wire, that is millimeter. Okay, mass of candy, mass of candy is minimum, so mass of candy is mostly less, so a smaller unit will be used, and the smaller unit of mass is gram. Okay, and mass of cricket ball, so the suitable unit which we use for the mass of cricket ball, that is also gram, as you can see it here. Okay, width of a book centimeter, length of a room meter, diameter of a wire millimeter, mass of a candy is gram, and mass of cricket ball is gram. Okay, now girls, in your book on page number 13, activity number 1.2 is given. Okay, girls, kindly read all the information and activities which is given in your book. Kindly read it out, and if you have any problem, so you can take help from your internet as well. Okay. Activity number 1.2 about us: calculate your height in centimeter. Okay, and meter. First you will calculate your height, you measure your height in centimeter, and then convert your height in meter. Okay, and your mass. Okay, you can find your mass with the help of a mass scale, with the help of a weight scale, which we commonly use in different hospitals. Even in the different hospitals we commonly use. Okay, notice that we do not say weight in kilogram. As I told you girls, that mass is the quantity of matter. Okay, when we commonly say that my weight is 50 kg, so you know it very well that kg is the unit of mass. So it's mean 50 kg is not our weight, that is actually our mass. And what is weight, girls? As I told you, weight is the force with which earth attract every body toward itself is known as weight, that is known as weight. And girls, the symbol which we use for weight, that is Newton. Okay, and the symbol of Newton is capital N. But your question is calculate the mass in kilogram. Okay, so you can calculate, you can find out your mass with the help of a mass scale or a weight machine. Okay, suppose girl, activity solution of activity number 1.2 is given. Okay, suppose the height of a girl is 150 centimeters, suppose. Okay, and if we want to convert this value in meter, so how we can calculate, girls? First you will arrange the data. In data, first you will write the given value, given quantity. Okay, suppose given value is height in centimeter is equal to 150 centimeter. Okay, and height in meter is unknown. Okay, so unknown quantity height in meter is equal to what? That is equal to small x. Small x, it's mean this is unknown quantity. Okay, so what we will do, girls? First one heading is data. First you will arrange the data. In data, first you will write the given quantity. Suppose the given quantity is height of a girl in centimeter is equal to 150 centimeter, and height of a girl in meter is equal to unknown. Okay, solution. As we know that, girls, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, 1 meter is equal to what? That is equal to 100 centimeter. You know it very well, girls, that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Okay, 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. Okay, same 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, these are the conversions of unit. We can convert hour in minute, minute in second, gram in gram, kilogram in gram, gram in kilogram, meter into centimeter, and centimeter into meter. Okay, in this activity we will convert centimeter into meter. Okay, as we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, so 150 centimeter is equal to x. This one is unknown quantity. Okay, so how we can calculate, girls? We can calculate it with the help of cross multiplication. By cross multiplication, girls, 1 meter multiplied by 150 centimeter is equal to x multiplied by 100 centimeter. Okay, now unknown quantity is x. It means we will separate the x, so given quantity will be eliminate. So how we can eliminate this quantity? 100 centimeter is multiplying. So for eliminating this quantity, what we will do? Divide 100 centimeter on both sides. Okay, so 1 meter multiplied by 150 centimeter divided by 100 centimeter is equal to x multiplied by 100 centimeter divided by 100 centimeter. 100 centimeter cancel. Okay, so x is equal to 1 meter multiplied by 150 divided by 100. Centimeter cancel. Okay, so 1 meter multiplied by 150 is equal to 150 meter. Okay, divided by 100. Okay, so with the help of calculator, when you calculate 150 divided by 100 is equal to what? That is equal to 1.5 meter. So it means height of a girl in meter is equal to 1.5 meter if height of a girl in centimeter is equal to 150 centimeter. Okay, so girls, it's an example. Kindly calculate your height in centimeter and then convert centimeter into meter with the help of this example question. Okay, girls, kindly practice this numerical question, example question in your rough copy. Okay, and girls, it's all about your today lecture. Listen girls, wait, on page number 13 question is given. Can you tell? Choose the base physical quantity and derive physical quantity from the following. Okay, as I told you, temperature is base physical quantity. Okay, volume is a derived physical quantity, time is a base physical quantity, area derived physical quantity, density is a derived physical quantity, and length is a base physical quantity. Okay, which you have already studied in table of base physical quantity and derived physical quantity. Okay, so inshallah in next lecture we will discuss about example and assignments of prefixes. Okay, so girls, kindly practice this numerical example question in your rough copy. Inshallah in next lecture we will discuss our examples and assignment, and it's end of your today lecture. So till then, stay blessed and Allah Hafiz.